Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy, and in today's video, I will be reviewing for you the new Dior Medium Hobo Vibe bag. I have it here in the black lambskin with the white trim. And I recently unboxed this in a video, so check that out because I go into the pricing and I try it on and everything. But now that I have officially been able to wear this out and use this around town, this is my new unofficial gym bag. I did go to the gym earlier today and I used this and I just really like it. So in this video, I will be going more into details and showing you what fits inside and all that. But this has been my go-to errand daily running bag, and that was my reasoning for getting this. And it has definitely been serving its purpose. This is in the black cannage lambskin leather. It is such a smooth, like supple, soft leather. And if you watched my entire luxury handbag collection, when I get to my Dior collection, it all was canvas bags. I didn't have one Dior leather bag, and that was the reason that I got this, because I wanted a leather bag that could stand the test of time in terms of running, just a daily workhorse errand bag that could also maybe be dressed up, you know, that it's not too big. So even though initially I wasn't really feeling this, I wasn't vibing with the Vibe collection, once I went in store and tried it on, it just fit all my needs. So again, I get into the pricing in my unboxing video, and even in the video, I didn't explicitly state the price. I showed the price tag because the price is just astronomical for what it is, I think. So the price of the medium Dior Vibe Hobo bag is $3,800. And then there also was a smaller size, and that was $3,400, so $400 less. Now both the Hobo bag in both sizes and also the bowling bag came in either this black with white trim or white with gold trim, I believe. And then I think the bowling bag also came in a blue and white color way. And then there's also new colors coming out for the spring and summer collection. I chose this one because I just wanted a solid black bag that would be really durable and that would match just tons of outfits. Also, in my unboxing video, I mentioned how the bowling bag gave me the early 2000s fashion vibe, and it reminded me a lot of the Juicy Couture bag from back then. So I'm going to show you again. I did give you a sneak peek of it in the unboxing video. I finally emptied it. This is my Juicy Couture bowling bag from the early 2000s. I had this in college, you know, like in the early 2000s, and oh my God, is this, I mean, does this not look like the Dior bowling bag from the Dior Vibe collection? Same colorway, the black and white. And then inside you have the hot pink. When I showed this in the unboxing video, a lot of you were like, oh my God, I had that bag. And I still have it, I still love it. I had to empty it out. I just store just random, totally random things, travel accessories and old paperwork. It just had the most random stuff in here. There is the pink lining. You have two slip pockets here and then the zip pocket. All the zippers have these J zipper pulls. Can you see right there? Same thing with this bottom compartment here. I know this is not Dior, but I just have to show you this because elder millennials and millennials, you guys can appreciate the Juicy Couture and the chokehold that Juicy had on all fashion, the velour sweatpants and, you know, velour tracksuits. This bag is not doing well. All the leather, you know, trim is flaking off. I was like, what is all this stuff flaking off? It's the pleather. It's all the fake pleather. It's just all cracked, you know, whatever. This served its purpose and I still like it. But so anyway, I'm just showing you this because I did not get the Dior bowling bag because I truly did not need a similar style, and I wouldn't wear a bowling bag as much as I have been using the Dior Vibe. Okay, and I wrote down the measurements just to give you guys an idea of the sizing. Again, this is the medium size Hobo bag. There was a smaller size, and when I tried it on, it just was too small. The zip opening was way too narrow for me for what I wanted to carry, you know, every day. So this was just perfect for me. I didn't think it was too big when I tried it on. Now the dimensions they give online for the bag are 11.5 inches in length, 8 inches in height, and then the base of this is 3.5 inches across. And it is very roomy in here. I'll do a what's in my bag after I give you the measurements. Across here, the zip opening is 10.5 inches. So it's a very generous opening, because when you have a bag that is so small and then you have a zip opening that's even smaller, which I felt this small Hobo bag for me, it wouldn't work for me. It was way too small. I need a generous opening. You have the leather top handle here. This strap drop is 4 inches. And then the crossbody strap, which is completely adjustable on the one side, has online, they describe this as a military style buckle. This has a very satisfying click when you close it up here. Okay. The bottom of the bag says Christian Dior Paris. And I know some of you were concerned about the white lettering, and I wasn't as concerned about the white lettering as I was on my bum bag. I also recently showed you my Louis Vuitton League of Legends bum bag that had white areas, white and silver, just very light colored areas that I thought would be prone to getting dirty. But if you notice this, the white part isn't going around the corners. Because this is all leather on the edges, if it does get some minor scratches or bumps or anything, it is more easily able to be kind of buffed out. Okay, I think the lighting might be a little better today, but inside you have this suede lining, and then you just have the one interior pocket right there where it says Dior. Okay, there you can see the lining. This really fits a ton of stuff, but mostly for just my everyday runaround bag, I really don't carry a lot, and so it doesn't get heavy. The bag itself also really just doesn't feel heavy. In the unboxing video, I showed how to adjust the strap. It is only adjustable on the one side right here. The shorter side is not adjustable at all, and that all is over here. You have this little kind of a belt system. That is the strap keeper, and then that is the strap length. And then you have the hardware here in the champagne gold. And then the zipper itself is a yellow gold, although they look very similar. Maybe right here in this lighting, you can see that this is more of a yellow gold, and then this is the champagne gold, which I prefer because then it can kind of pull silver or yellow gold, depending on, you know, how you style it. Now, what's interesting is I'm looking at the description of the Dior Vibe bag online, and it says that the leather shoulder strap is removable and adjustable. I didn't know that. Even in the store, they told me neither strap is removable. But let's play around with this because, okay, so it literally says removable and adjustable leather shoulder strap. Okay, so if it's removable and adjustable, they must be referring to this. And I'll show you what it looks like inside because you might not see, they don't have a lot of pictures online, so you really have to see it in person. If you don't have access to it, I'll show you here. So that is the inside. That's the inside of the strap here. So you can see both straps, the shorter white top handle and then the longer crossbody strap. Both are attached to chains, and then they go inside this little grommet. And on the other side, you have, it's basically that bar, you know, like, what do they call that? The Tiffany T bar? I don't know what it's called. Actually, it's kind of similar to my Dior necklace because I have that T, you know, toggle clasp. So it says it's removable, which is interesting. I don't think it is removable because they're both attached to one bar. All right, I've pulled this inside so you can see it kind of sticking out more from the inside. Both chains are attached to the one toggle bar. I don't know why they're saying it's removable because that's the inside hardware. It's the T bar, and then both chains are attached separately, and then there's the loop that loops around the center of that little toggle, and that's what keeps it inside the bag. This isn't removable. That's the end of the T toggle bar clasp poking through, and no, this definitely is not removable because it's not, yeah, it's not fitting in here. You can stick one end of the bar through, see right there? But then the other side is just a mess of hardware. I don't know what they mean by removable and adjustable leather shoulder strap. They must just mean that it's removable, like around your waist. If you were to shorten this strap all the way down, instead of having to only put it over your head, you can remove it by unbuckling it. Okay, that's a very misleading description. The hardware is not removable. Neither strap is removable. Both straps attach to one bar on the inside like so. And then if you pull it through, that is what is stopping the bag from coming out. So no, it's not removable. So the longer strap is removable in the sense that you can unbuckle it while it's strapped around your waist or your shoulder, I guess, but it is not detachable from the bag. So I'm just gonna start filling this up. But again, this normally isn't what I would pack in here every day. So I have a full-size LV Sarah wallet. This fits right here. Just a little catch-all organizer pouch from Dior. This is in here. I have my LV PM agenda with the inserts. Now, again, I took this to the gym, and when I go to the gym, I always bring my little base zip pouch. It has a charger, it has headphones, my AirPods, This is also my travel kind of headphones wire case. So I always bring this with me to the gym and when I travel. So this fits right in here. Here is my sunglasses case with a pair of Dior glasses. And then my iPhone 12 Pro Max fits right here on the side. Now my phone unfortunately does not fit in that little slip pocket on the side. But if you have a small phone, which I don't know who has a small phone these days, that might be able to fit. Maybe if you have the Motorola Razr still. So that's everything that fits in there. It fits a ton of stuff. This is it zipped up. And there you go. So you still have plenty of room. And again, it is not too big. But the way I like to carry this is kind of slouchy, and I don't carry nearly as much stuff as I just fit in here. So I'll just remove my agenda and my full-size wallet, because I usually just carry my sunglasses, my phone, my headphones, and then my little pouch of just random stuff. If you want to know what's in here, by the way, I'll show you. It's the same as most of my other, what's in my bag videos. Oh, what's in here? I have literally just totally, floss, elastic tie. This is bobby pins and band-aids. This is bling brush. It's a little pen tip thing that cleans your rings in case it gets dirty. And just kind of keep this in here. Burt's Bees chapstick and aspirin. So yeah, just every little random mom thing that I might need. So that's what fits in here, and I'll go ahead and try it on again for you guys. By the way, today I'm wearing what I wore to the gym. I just threw on a Dior necklace for the video, but I have a Viore tank and then these sweatpants. Okay, so I would normally carry the bag like this, just as a crossbody. This is kind of tucked underneath right here, water bottle in my hand, because when I go to the gym, I try not to bring a huge bag. I just want to have just my few things, and then I don't mind carrying my water bottle, and then I have my yoga mat. But this is how I always carry it, and then I can just reach in and grab my phone. This is it over the crook of my arm or as a top handle. And then if you just want to like grab it real quick, you can throw this part over your shoulder, and then you do that little logo thing on the back, similar to the Fendigraphy bag that has the logo on the bottom, and then you just see it like walking away. And then with the crossbody strap at its longest length, if I just throw this over my shoulder, and I'm just like running around, that's what it looks like, kind of swinging around. But it's just like such an easy bag to carry. This length is actually great because it's really easy then to grab whatever you need if you just have one hand free, and then you can close it up like so. Oh, also, I don't know if I showed you in this video, but this is the zipper pull. Again, this whole collection is very sporty, and this material is like a rubber grip, very, very sporty spice. So very different from a lot of other Dior handbags. I would say this is like the opposite of the Lady Dior. This is the anti-Lady Dior. This is a very sporty bag, very casual, very athleisure style. In my unboxing, I mentioned that I resigned from my corporate law job last year, and I'm a stay-at-home mom now, and that is my lifestyle. I'm very casual now. I am very mostly wearing comfortable clothes or workout clothes, and this just totally is my vibe. So, but it can be dressed up. So yeah, you can definitely dress this up if you want, but for me, I love it as a very casual, everyday errand bag. So that is the Dior Medium Vibe Hobo bag in the black lambskin. So let me know if this is your vibe. Let me know if you were like me and you initially didn't like it, but then realized and embraced the fact that a lot of us are simply home now. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.